Dora the Explorer. Dora's first trip. Hi, I am Dora. This is my first time exploring. Will you come with me? I see footprints. I use my magnifying glass to follow the footprints. Who is here? It is a monkey who wears red boots. His name is Boots. Hi, Boots. My name is Dora. Oh no! A sneaky fox wants to swipe the red boots from Boots. The fox is named Swiper. Boots and I say, Swiper no swiping. We stopped Swiper. Boots and I meet the Fiesta Trio. The Fiesta Trio will play music for the queen bee on the mountain. The queen bee does not like to wait. Oh no! The Fiesta Trio dropped their instruments. Will you help us bring the instruments to the Fiesta Trio? Great! The Fiesta Trio is on the mountain. We need to go through the forest and across the river. Nuts are falling in the forest. We need to move fast. Boots sees his friend Tico. Tico will drive us through the forest in his car. Now we have to follow the Fiesta Trio's bike trail. The bike trail goes through a tree. Does the bike trail go through the circle tree or the triangle tree? Yes, the circle tree. We made it to the river. This is Isa the iguana. Isa wants to come with us too. We need a boat to cross the river. Tico turns his car into a boat. Which way do we go? Isa knows. We have to follow the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Do you see 1, 2, and 3? Smart looking. Oh no! Boots fell into the river. Benny the bull fishes Boots out of the river. Thanks for helping, Benny. Now we have to get to the top of the mountain. Tico turns his car into an airplane. We fly up, up, up. We reach the top of the mountain. Here are your instruments, Fiesta Trio. The Fiesta Trio can play music now. The queen bee loves the music. Thanks for helping. I love exploring and meeting new friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. See you next time.